Are you looking for a natural way to speed up muscle recovery after your workouts? Today, I'm going to share how Moringa can become your secret weapon for faster recovery and improved performance. And if you're ready to try it for yourself, check out Moringa Magic Supplement link in the description below. After an intense workout, your muscles experience tiny tears and inflammation. Recovery is the key to building strength, and that's where Moringa shines. Moringa is packed with essential amino acids, the building blocks your muscles need to repair and grow. On top of that, it's rich in anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce soreness and stiffness, so you can get back to training sooner. But that's not all. Moringa also delivers a powerful dose of vitamins and minerals, including magnesium and potassium, which are crucial for muscle relaxation and preventing cramps. Plus, its high antioxidant levels help fight oxidative stress caused by exercise, keeping your body in peak condition. If you want an easy way to enjoy all these benefits without having to prepare Moringa leaves daily, Moringa Magic Supplement makes it simple. Just a few capsules a day can support muscle recovery, boost energy, and help you feel your best. You'll find the link in the description below. So the next time you hit the gym, remember recovery is just as important as the workout itself. And with the power of Moringa, you can bounce back faster, stronger, and healthier. Don't forget, you can grab Moringa Magic Supplement through the link in the description below. Take your fitness and recovery to the next level naturally.